Hi, welcome you all to NextGen RV Studios. Today I am going to show you how to create a website for free in the hosting site infinityfree.net. So if you have any queries or anything, just give it in the comment box, or if you would like to know about the previous video, please check my channel. Okay, so let's start. So this is the site infinityfree.net. Here we go to the client area, and in the client area we can create as much as 3 accounts. Here create the account, and here we give the domain name. Here we are giving the subdomain as it's the free domain. So now I give NextGen RV site for test. Now we search if the domain name is available, and you can see the domain is available. So we move forward. We can change the password or not. So we give that I am not a robot. So let's click here to create the account, and now the account is created. Now we go to the client area, and this is the client area where we can move to the file managers. We can get the account details, FTP details, MySQL details, and all the credentials are here. Then now we go to the control panel. So this is our base site. Just look at it. So our domain name is up. Now give the approval, and now the control panel for our site is loading. Just wait. And this is our cPanel where we can add our website. We can add the files. We can add everything, SSL and all. So we have to move to the file manager. Here that's where the file is to be uploaded. We should delete those files as we don't need them, as they are the default site pages. Just delete them, and here we place our new site. We can do this from the file manager or using any third-party applications such as FileZilla and all. I will show you both the ways. We can do it from the their direct file manager, and also we can do by the FileZilla. We just upload the zip file where the site is, and we should wait, but it's actually a time consuming process, so we will use FileZilla for now. Using FileZilla we can directly upload the files to the server. Just connect by giving the FTP credentials, we can connect to the server. So now we connect the server and we upload the site, and after uploading the site we just wait. It will take about 24 hours, but what they are saying is 72 hours, but from my experience only takes about 4 to 10 hours max. With that time the site will be available at least on your location. After that, in about 24 hours it will be available worldwide. It's because of the current situation as of COVID-19 and all, that's the delay. But this is actually a standard, pretty good way of hosting a website, absolutely free, very good. I have hosted many sites here. I am really confident about this. So we just wait for it. So once the uploading process is done, we can move forward. Now we just check the site is not up yet, but after some time it will be. So we just wait now. As you can see, all the files are uploaded to the location. The site is up, everything looks okay. So let's, and now after about 10 hours our site is up. As you can see, the site is up and running, everything looks fine. it's a-okay. So this site is up. We can do everything now. We can check the file manager, we can check this credentials, we can access phpMyAdmin or any, we can host any type of SQL database. Yeah, the site's up, everything's okay. So that's how we create a website in infinityfree.net. We can access the database, everything. So that's all. Stay tuned for more videos from NextGen RV Studios. Thank you.